Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish and
destroy your moles, warts, blackheads, skin tags and age spots completely naturally. Our skin is constantly being exposed to different chemicals and factors such as sun and pollution. But it also suffers from hormonal imbalances, stress, and unhealthy diets. The most common issues that our skin endures are moles, warts, skin tags, age spots, and blackheads. While these natural treatments aren't cures and they shouldn't replace professional medical treatment, it's worth it to try them out. Moles. According to MedicineNet, a mole is composed of melanocytes, which are the pigment-producing cells of the skin. When moles are exposed to the sun, they become darker and can appear anywhere on the skin. To remove them naturally, Healthline suggests that you tap garlic to the mole so you can break it down from the inside. This is one of the most effective natural remedies for removing moles because of the enzymes that are in garlic. These enzymes help break down the collections of pigment-producing cells. Garlic also helps lighten the color of the mole as well. Warts. Healthline defines warts as bumps on your skin that are caused by human papillomavirus. The best treatment for removing warts is apple cider vinegar according to Healthline. The acid in vinegar burns and slowly destroys the infected skin, which can cause the wart to fall off. The irritation of the acid in apple cider vinegar actually stimulates the ability to fight off the wart. To perform this remedy, mix 2 parts of apple cider vinegar with water. Soak a cotton ball in the mixed solution and apply it directly to the wart. Tape the cotton to the wart and leave it on overnight and remove it in the morning. Repeat this every night until the wart falls off. Skin tags. Skin tags are soft, benign growths that form within the skin folds of the armpits, eyelids, groin, and breasts, says Healthline. These types of growths are loose collagen fibers that become stuck inside a thicker area of skin. One of the top natural remedies according to Healthline is tea tree oil. However, it can irritate the eyes, so if you're applying it on that area, be sure to apply with care. To perform this remedy, wash the affected area and then use a cotton swab and gently massage the oil mixed with the carrier oil over the skin tag. Age spots. Age spots can be black, gray or brown flat spots on your skin. In most cases, they occur on sun-exposed areas of the body, according to Healthline. One way to naturally remove an age spot is by using onions. Onions contain sulfur compounds that act as an antiseptic. Onions can also facilitate exfoliation. If you want to perform this remedy, all you need to do is slice up some onions and rub the slices on the affected area between 2 to 3 times a day.